What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Robert, aka Pretty Boy Rob, and I'll be hanging out with you for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy. For this video, we got someone's grails, and we got them extremely trash. Talking about the white cement threes, the Reimagined to be exact. This is actually one of my favorite sneakers of the year so far. Probably top 3 and definitely not number 3, but I gotta make them look beautiful once again. So that's why I got my signature kit paired with my sneaker laundry detergent, and we're gonna bring these things back to life. But make sure you guys are tapped in for the whole video because I'm gonna show you guys how you could win your very own signature shoe cleaning kit. But with all that being said, there's not much left to it but to do it. So let's hop straight into this episode of Shoe Care Academy. All right, here we go. We got our cleaning station all prepped. We got all of our products from our signature kit laid out. We got all 3 of our brushes, soft, medium, stiff, our shoe tree, towel, laundry bag, plus we are gonna be using our detergent on this cleaning, again, just to really flush out some of that stitching and this sock liner. We also got our handy dandy cleaning mat, plus our dry rack bowl combo. With all that being said, I can go ahead and grab one of these shoes, set it to the side, because we are only gonna clean one shoe for that before and after purposes. So let me go ahead and just grab this left one, set that aside right there, and we can go ahead and start with this cleaning by removing these laces. All right, we got our laces out. They are hella sticky, so I'm just gonna set those aside. I don't know what are on them things. Looking at this shoe, it looks like there's some spaghetti. I know Miguel was wearing this shoe, so he might've got his mama's spaghetti on his shoe while he was wearing them. But again, our shoe laces are removed. Right now, I'm just gonna grab our adjustable shoe tree, insert this like so. Bang, bang, we got our shoe tree in. What that did was pop up our toe box, so now I can apply as much pressure as I need to and really scrub away, as well as it's gonna help in the laundry system to keep the form and integrity of the shoe. But right now, I'm just gonna grab our solution, squirt some squirts in our bowl of water, and start with our soft bristle brush. The reason why we are starting off with our soft bristle brush is because we notice it just generates the most bubbles. It's great on all materials and it's not gonna fray or snag. However, if we do see some deeper stains that the soft brush didn't come off, re-hit that up using our medium bristle brush. All right guys, before I wrap up with our soft bristle brush, I'm just gonna grab our microfiber towel and wipe off some of these suds and see what type of deeper stains I'm working with. Again, I'm not finished with the soft brush just yet because I do need to go ahead and take care of this sock liner, plus that insole is looking pretty busted as well. All right, I'm all done with that microfiber towel. The soft brush did its thing per usual, but I do have to go back into this sock liner as well as this insole and get a nice deep clean. So I am just gonna remove the shoe tree, take out this insole, cause sheesh, this thing is dirty as well. To clean this, we are gonna be using our soft bristle brush, just so we don't fray or snag this material. Super delicate, so I'm gonna get to that right now. All right, we are all done with that pre-cleaning of the sock liner as well as our insole. Just gonna go ahead and insert that back like so, as well as our shoe tree. Right now, we can go ahead and keep the party rolling and start with our medium bristle brush. With this brush, I am gonna go back over the midsole just so we can get a nice deep clean on this stitching, as well as this midsole, because I got a lot of deeper stains right there. So I'm gonna hop on that right now. Let's get it, let's go. All right guys, when cleaning your Reimagined threes or any threes, you do wanna make sure you pay extra attention to detail to this air bubble, because a lot of trapped in dirt can get stuck in there, as well as behind this heel tab. All right guys, I'm all done using our medium bristle brush. The last thing we gotta do is go ahead and use our stiff bristle brush. In most cases, we would typically scrub this midsole. However, since this is a painted midsole in this black and this off-white section, we're not gonna be using it there, just on the outsole. One of my favorite things about this shoe is actually the midsole and this back tab, how they chose to go with that off-white age look. But again, right now I'm gonna go ahead and tackle this outsole using our stiff bristle brush. All right guys, I am all done with this outsole. The last thing we gotta do before we head to the washer is go ahead and take care of these laces. Laundry pod, can't forget that. And then I'm gonna head off to the washer and I'll see you guys in there. All right, we are inside our washer. We only have one shoe inside our laundry bag, but I do want you guys to know it will hold 2 shoes up to a size 12.5. To wash your shoes, you do want to make sure you use cold water on a normal cycle. So we're gonna do that right now. In a light cycle, since it's only one shoe, and we'll go ahead and start. All right, guys, we got our shoe in the washer. It is towards the end of the business day, so we're gonna take these out, let them dry overnight. I'll see you guys tomorrow, but realistically, y'all see me in like 3 to 5 seconds. Peace. All right, guys, we are back. We did go and let the sneaker dry for over 24 hours, and honestly, I am very happy with these results. The shoe cleaned up great, as it always does. Honestly, the only issues I'm noticing actually happened prior to the cleaning, and that's because unfortunately, these Reimagined 3s did come with some factory defects, such as imperfect stitching, glue stains, uneven paint jobs, and so much more. I tried for this sneaker on the sneakers app. Unfortunately, I didn't get it, but my girl got them, and I can just let you know the grade school sizes were so much worse. But the shoe is still a 9 out of 10, if not even a 9.5 out of 10 in my opinion. Right now, I'm gonna go to get them laced up so we can sign on out of here. There it is, that's gonna do it. That's gonna wrap things up for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy on these reimagined white cement 3s. We achieved these results using all the products you can find in our signature shoe cleaning kit paired with our sneaker laundry detergent. We also took advantage of our dry rack roll combo, plus our good old cleaning mat. As you can see, the products speak for themselves. You can find all these products at RESHOEVN8R.com as well as all your other shoe care needs. So make sure you hit that link in the description, save y'all some dollar bills. But before I bounce, I did let you guys know about a giveaway at the beginning of the video. I said someone's getting hooked up with their very own signature shoe cleaning kit. We are hooking up one lucky subscriber. All you gotta do is comment down below what you think shoe of the year is so far. Whether they've already came out or it's a sneaker that's rumored to drop that comment down below and let us know. But that's not the only giveaway going on, right, Kayla?
Right.
What else we got for them?
Got the May giveaway.
Hey, this giveaway is going on all month long. We are picking the winner in June. 3 different prizes. Let me go ahead and bring those up to talk about them. First place, we do have the off-white UNC 1, such a beauty right there. Second place, we got the off-white Sail 5s. Last but not least, you do have a chance, hit me, of $1,000. 1,000 schmackaronis. Again, all you gotta do is go to RESHOEVN8R.com. You're gonna get hit with a little pop-up. From there, you're gonna put your email. Then that's it. It's open to all current subscribers and new subscribers. So again, head to RESHOEVN8R.com, enter that giveaway, and get your RESHOEVN8R products. With all that being said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Y'all know the vibe. It's your boy Pretty Rob, and I'll catch y'all in another one. Peace.